This is the thing that revolutionized the way we think about computers forever. This is Lego Macintosh. I showed you a good spin. Now let's get into it. Okay, camera guy, drawing the tech nerds. Yeah, drawing the stuff. Yeah, good. Okay, continue. Back in the day, the plastic for computers is very yellowish. Yeah, it might look like poop to these days. Now let's adapt this tech trash into my glorious computer. Bad wires. Twisted and twisted and twisted. Also, you might be asking, why do we have these nicely designed curves? So what I did is put flat slopes, and then what did I did for the back is put one of this modified whatever type of praise things, put it at the blocks and cause that effect. Cool, right? I know, classy. Yeah, that looks good. Now let's continue. If we open this thing up, which is we shouldn't, because we're not one of those nerds, then we will see a lot of technology stuff. Yeah, those technology stuff. Yeah. You also see the motherboard. Now let's continue. Also, if the 8-bit guy is watching this, please comment down below, okay? Comment down below, 8-bit guy. And send me a photo of the actual Macintosh. Feature me out. Now, what I was talking about again? Oh yeah, topics, blah 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 topics. I made the mouse nicely designed. I know you love it, IDK love. You might be asking what else I'm going to do with this. Well, guess what? It's vintage, so who cares? IDK low, I'm going to put it crap. See you guys next time. Bye.